Hey guys, it's GoldenSteelTV here. Um, I'm back with another Stepford County Railway video. It's been a while, I know, but this time I'll be driving instead of dispatching like last time. I'm gonna drive a new train. Haven't decided which route to go on. At the Class 385, which got introduced as part of version 2.0. The version 2.0 came with lots of lots of changes to this game, such as the new Class 800, the the new Rayleigh Bay branch, which I'm not gonna show for cause 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 I don't want to make this video 2 hours long to show everything from the updates. Um, couple a couple stations got renovated. West Wyvern, Edgemead, North Shore, um Water Newton got renovated, and we got new trains here. Like I said, Class 800 and the Class 313 replaced the Class 508, and and the last remaining unmeshed trains finally got meshed. So now all trains in this game have been meshed, and it's a major victory for us. Alright, I've decided on the Stepford Central to Morganstown route. It's taking a little bit longer for this shit to load, but don't worry. We'll we'll get we'll get this we'll get this we'll get this going. All right. All right. Right. This is what it looks like inside the driver's seat. Sorry for the lag. Those lags in Stepford in this game have been fucking killing me. Expect the lags to plague this video. I'm sorry about this, but but yeah, that's what happens when you use a high memory usage game like this one. I really wish I didn't have to deal with this, but yeah, I'm pretty sure a bunch of people have it, experience it every time they play this game. Alright, we're almost there. Stepford Central also got renovated, along with Stepford Victoria, which a lot of new drivers go to start off their driving careers. Famir got renovated too. I almost forgot to mention.
32 Stepford Express, service to Benton. Calling at Benton only. This train is formed of 5
The
coaches.
HST, my all-time favorite train from this game, just got remodeled as well. Right. Yeah, the 385 is just amazing.
Platform 0 is the 1633 Stepford Express, service to Lynn by the Sea via Benton.
Right.
Calling at Benton, Leighton, Stepford Road, Leighton City.
I'm trying to go slow
West
since
Wyvern, and
this
Lynn
driver
by the
GUI
Sea. This train is formed
is
of
brand
5
new to this game.
coaches. First class
It got
is located
updated
at the
as
rear
well.
of the train.
This is Stepford Central.
Yeah, the old driver's GI
This
was
train
easier
is
to get
Attention
used to.
please.
though it had some flaws as well.
16.
Thank you for travelling with us
53.
today.
Stepford Connect. Service 2. Stepford
Yeah,
Victoria.
the new driver's
has been
GUI
cancelled.
was
This is due
was
to
tricky to
a
get
member of
used
the
to at
train
first,
crew being unavailable.
but as time has gone on,
The
I've gotten
train
more
now
used to
standing
it,
at platform 4 is the
and
1634
I'm getting
Stepford
I'm
Connect.
getting the hang
Service to
of driving
Morganstown.
now. Not
Calling
like I've
at
been,
Stepford
not that I've
East,
been
St
that I'm
Helens
a noob or
Bridge,
anything
Ellesmere
like that, but
Junction,
I'm just trying
Berrily,
to get
East
I'm just trying to
Berrily,
get some
Bewley
used to
Park,
something new
and
that has affected how
Morganstown.
I play this game.
This train is formed
Alright,
of
here we
4
go. We're
coaches.
about to be on our way to Morganstown. Alright, here we go. Doors closing. Alright,
Your
here we
attention,
go.
please. The 1656 service from Leighton City has been cancelled.
Welcome aboard, Stepford Connect Run 1M55. Stepford East is
Welcome on
next.
board this Stepford
In the
Connect
direction of
service
travel,
to
doors open on the left or right at
Morganstown.
Stepford East.
We will be
Transfer to Airlink trains at
Stepford
Stepford East.
St Helens Bridge, Ellesmere Junction, Berrily, East Berrily, Bewley Park, and Morganstown. The next station is Stepford
Alright,
East.
here we go. And the floating passenger. Oh my god. Alright, here we go. Alright, it's gonna be busy along this stretch because there are other trains driving along this section as well, not just me. As you just saw, we've already seen many trains passing by. So
Will shortly
this
be
is
arriving at Stepford
so it's
East.
gonna be a hell of a busy
Please
time
mind the gap between the
around
train and the
here.
platform.
St Helens
So it's
Bridge,
gonna be a hell of
Ellesmere Junction,
so it's gonna be
Berrily,
hella busy
East
around
Berrily,
here.
Bewley Park, and Morganstown.
So yeah,
This train is formed of 4 coaches.
we're gonna expect some delays and getting spatted by other trains who don't know how to be respectful to other trains nearby.
The train now approaching
Yeah, this lag is fucking killing me.
does not stop
This is
here.
Stepford East.
Please stand back from the platform.
Stepford
This is a
East. This
Stepford
train
Connect
is
train
for
to Morganstown.
The next station is St Helens Bridge.
Alright. Not gonna say doors closing since it's beeping to indicate doors closing. Alright. Also, because I don't want to sound like a broken record. Right, here we go. St. Helens Bridge is next. Doors open on the left at St. Helens Bridge. Transfer to Airlink and Express trains at St. Helens Bridge. Yeah, the lag is killing me right now. And it's getting even worse. Oh my fucking god.
On board this Stepford Connect service to Morganstown. The next
Oh my
station
god.
is
Oh
St
my
Helens
god.
Bridge.
I have no idea where I'm at because of the lag. Oh man. I don't know why it's happening right now. Maybe the OBS studio I'm using for the recording is acting like shit, or the game itself is causing all this. I'm not sure.
Will shortly be arriving
But
at
but now
St Helens
but now
Bridge.
we're final but now it's
Please
finally
mind the gap
fixed.
between the train and the platform.
Alright. Here we are.
Service to Morganstown. Calling at Ellesmere Junction.
This is one of my
Berrily,
favorite routes to
East
operate.
Berrily, Bewley Park,
It's quick and
Morganstown. This train is formed
I love
of
it.
4 coaches.
This is St. Helens Bridge. This is
This is
this is
St
a
Helens
Stepford
Bridge.
Connect train to Morganstown.
This train is for Morganstown.
And
The next
of course,
station
as you
is
just noticed, there's
Ellesmere
a
Junction.
advertisement for Despicable Me 4 that you just saw at the station. Alright. Ellesmere Junction is next. Doors open on the left at Ellesmere Junction. Standing passengers, please do not lean against the doors.
Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Morganstown. The next station is Ellesmere Junction.
Right. Again, this train, the Class 385, has the 3-car and 4-car variant. I'm using the 4-car variant. One of the stations on this route has a shorter platform, and it can only accommodate up to four cars. So this train is perfect. So this train suits this route well, and I should have no problem fitting this train onto that station, onto that station with a shorter platform. Not the next one, but one of my upcoming stops.
We will shortly be arriving
Right.
at Ellesmere Junction.
It's also kind of peaceful around here,
Between the train and the platform.
which is another reason why I love this route.
Stepford Connect, service to Morganstown. Calling at Berrily, East Berrily, Bewley Park, and Morganstown. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
Oh, come on, open the doors, damn it. Alright,
Platform 4.
and we got the Airlink train stopping here as well.
Ellesmere
This is Ellesmere Junction. This is a Stepford Connect train to Morganstown.
The next
Stepford
station
East and Stepford Central. This train is formed of 6 coaches. First class is located at the middle of the train.
Berrily is next.
Ellesmere
Doors
Junction.
open on the left at Berrily.
Train is for Stepford Central.
Soliciting and gambling are prohibited on Stepford County Railway
Welcome on board
vehicles.
this Stepford Connect service to
Alright.
Morganstown.
The next station is a meme in the SCR community, only because one notable SCR YouTuber said it was his favorite station, and a bunch of people disagreed with him. And that disagreement ultimately turned that station into a meme.
Please mind the gap between
So
the
that was
train
what
and the
happened.
platform.
If you're familiar with that station and know the lore behind it, you know what I'm talking about.
Stepford Connect, service
Alas,
to
I'm missing
Morganstown.
something.
Calling at East Berrily, Bewley Park, and Morganstown. This train is formed
Oh
of
man,
4 coaches.
there's a train ahead of me. This is Berrily. This is a Stepford Connect train to Morganstown.
This is Berrily. This
The
train
the
is for
the
Morganstown.
interior of this
The next station is
train
East Berrily.
is decent. Alright, I'm just waiting for the signal to clear up a little so that I can get going. Doors closing right now. Alright. I'm hoping things go smoothly. Alright, here we go. Now let's get going. Now that the signal has cleared up. East Berrily is next. Doors open on the left at East Berrily.
Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Morganstown. The next station
Please keep your
is
belongings
East
off the seat
Berrily.
next to you so others may sit down. It's a shorter distance to that station, but we're almost there
You
now.
will shortly be arriving at East Beryley.
I'm gonna have to slow down a
Please mind
little
the
bit
gap
more
between the
since
train and the platform.
that station has shorter platforms. It can only fit up to 4 cars. Never more than that. Alright. Just slowing down a little. Just for this train to completely fit in. Alright. Excuse the texting. I'm just trying to talk with these players in the chat. Right, here we are. This is East Beryley. This is the Stepford Connect
This
train
is
to
East
Morgantown.
Beryley. This train is for Morganstown. The next station is Bewley Park.
Bewley Park is next. Doors open on the left at Bewley Park. Priority seating is intended for the elderly and passengers with disabilities. Your cooperation is requested.
Welcome on board this Stepford
Right.
Connect service to Morganstown.
It's actually a transfer
The
station
next station is
because
Bewley Park.
a little bit south of the station, there's a waterline station called Whitney Green. You could just walk there. You could just walk there after
We will
getting off at
shortly
this
be
station,
arriving at Bewley Park.
and it's
Please mind the gap
very
between
close
the train and the
to
platform.
Bewley Park. But I didn't announce the transfer just because it's an indirect transfer, meaning that the Whitney Green Waterline station is not directly connected to this station that we're stopping at now. Also, this station can fit up to only five cars. There is a 6-car train from Stepford Connect called the Class 717. This is Bewley Park. This is a
Bewley Park.
Stepford Connect train to
This
Morganstown.
train is for Morganstown.
This
The
station
next
can't fit the
station
sits
is
the
Morganstown.
sits the sits car of the Class 717. Only it can only fit no 5. It can only fit up to 5 cars only. Morganstown is next. Transfer to
Welcome on board
Express,
this Stepford
Airlink,
Connect
and
service
Waterline
to
trains at
Morganstown.
Morganstown.
The next station is
This
Morganstown.
Morganstown is the only station that serves all 4 operators in this game, such as Connect, Express, Airlink, and Waterline. Not all routes. Some
Will
routes.
shortly be
Some
arriving
routes
at
skip there.
Morganstown. Change here for services to Newry. Please mind the gap between the train and the
Right.
platform. This train terminates here. All change, please.
Right. Yeah, someone said this game is so laggy. It is laggy, man. I know, dude. I know. Sorry about that. I had to get some water. This is Morganstown. Transfer to
This
Express,
is
Airlink, and Waterline
Morganstown.
trains on Morganstown.
This train
As far as
terminates
this
here.
train goes,
All change, please.
all passengers must
Thank
leave the
you for
train.
traveling with us today.
Thank you for riding the Stepford Connect train.
Platform 6 for the 1648
Yeah,
Airlink
another
to
airlink train is
Stepford
stopping.
Central.
An airlink train,
Calling at
an airlink train is
Ellesmere
stopping
Junction,
here.
Stepford East, and Stepford
All right,
Central. This train is
and
formed
the
of
end.
5 coaches.
All right,
First
here we go.
class is located at the front of the train.
We're going back to Stepford Central.
The train now standing at platform 1 is the
Welcome aboard, Stepford
1646
Connect Run
Stepford Connect
1S73.
service to
All right,
Stepford
another
Central.
airlink train.
Calling at
Skip it this
Beaulieu
station.
Park, East Ferry,
All right,
Welcome on board
Verily,
this.
all right, back to my
Ellesmere
job.
Junction,
God damn it.
St
All right,
Helens Bridge,
welcome
Stepford
aboard,
East,
Stepford Connect
and
Run
Stepford Central.
1S73.
This train is
Beaulieu
formed
Park
of
is
4
next.
coaches.
In the direction of
St
travel,
Helens Bridge,
doors open on the left at
Stepford
Beaulieu
East.
Park.
And Stepford Central. The next station is Beaulieu Park.
It's a shorter distance, again. I'm driving at a slower speed so that I don't overspeed
We will
it within
shortly
that
be
shorter
arriving
distance.
at Beaulieu Park. Please
That's
mind
the
the
struggle
gap
of
between
getting
the
used to
train
the
and the
driver's
platform.
GUI. Not going too fast, otherwise you overshoot or even skip the stations you're stopping at. That's a hell of a
Stepford
struggle
East, and Stepford
of
Central.
getting used to the driver's
This train is
GUI.
formed of 4 coaches.
Right. Just honking to say hi to that passing airlink train. This is Beaulieu Park.
This is
This is a Stepford
Beaulieu
Connect train
Park.
to Morganstown.
This train is for Stepford Central.
No, so
The
shit.
next station is East Beryley.
This is Beaulieu Park. This is a Stepford Connect train to Stepford Central. East Beryley is next. Doors open on the left at East Beryley. Standing passengers, please do not lean against the doors. Alright.
Welcome on board this Stepford
Yeah,
Connect
there's some.
service to
There's.
Stepford
Don't
Central.
worry about the chat.
The next station
It could get
is
toxic at
East
times,
Beryley.
so I'm sorry if it gets toxic. I can't completely control how these players interact in this game. So the only thing
We'll
I can do
shortly
is
be arriving at East Beryley.
just close the chat
Please mind the
and not
gap
see what's going
between
on.
the train and the platform.
Ignorance is bliss. Alright. I'm gonna have to go slow again since I don't want to overshoot this station with shorter platforms. This is East Beryley. This is a
This
Stepford
is
Connect train to
East
Stepford
Beryley.
Central.
This train is for Stepford
Right.
Central. The next station is Beryley.
Yeah. One route skips here. Yeah. Alright. Doors closing right now. We're gonna get going. Beryley is next. Doors open on the left at Beryley. Priority seating is intended for the elderly and passengers with disabilities.
Welcome on board this
Your
Stepford
cooperation
Connect
is
service
requested.
to Stepford Central.
Yeah, that's the
The
express
next
train that you
station
just saw
is
passing
Beryley.
by. The HST. So far, the only airlink
We will
trains we've
shortly be
seen
arriving
are the
at
185,
Beryley.
the 6-car variant,
Change
and
for services to
the
Stepford Airport
802s.
Central.
I have both of
Please
these
mind the
trains.
gap between the train
By
and
the
the
way,
platform.
I like I said, I don't know if I said it earlier, but I have the HST as well
Ellesmere
on the
Junction, St
on
Helens
the
Bridge,
on
Stepford
on
East,
Express.
and Stepford Central. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
This is Barely. This is a Stepford
This
Connect train to
Verily.
Stepford Central.
This train
Yeah,
is
I sound
for
like a robot
Stepford
saying those
Central.
announcements
The next station is
in my
Ellesmere
natural voice,
Junction.
hmm, but
Platform
that's how I
2
like.
for the
But that's how I like doing things
1653
when I record.
Stepford
When I
Connect
record these
service
videos,
to Morganstown.
that's just how
Calling
I
at East
conduct
Berrily,
myself when
Beaumont
I
Park,
drive this
and
game on camera.
Morganstown. Due to a short
Alright,
platform,
got the
passengers
707.
for East Berrily should
Its
travel
fifth
in the
car
front
can't
4
fit
coaches.
within its
Welcome on
next
board
stop
the
of East
Stepford Connect
Burley.
service to Stepford
Yeah.
Central. The next station
Ellesmere
is
Junction is next.
Ellesmere Junction.
Doors open on the left at Ellesmere Junction. Transfer to Airlink and Express trains at Ellesmere Junction.
Will shortly be arriving
Alright,
at
we're almost there
Ellesmere
now.
Junction. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Yeah. Yeah, this branch has having two stations with short platforms is the main reason why I only
Stepford Central.
operate
This train is
trains with
formed
2,
of
3,
4
and 4 cars in
coaches.
this game in on this section. There is one other section that whose platforms can't fit up more than four more than more than 4 cars on the
This is
uh
Ellesmere
on,
Junction.
for Stepford
This
Connect
train is
trains.
for Stepford Central.
Waterline has
The next station
the
is
greens. Right.
St Helens
This
Bridge.
is Ellesmere Junction. This is a Stepford Connect train to Stepford Central. St. Helens Bridge is next. Doors open on the left. Doors open on the right at St. Helens Bridge. Transfer to Express and Airlink trains at St. Helens Bridge. Smoking and littering
Welcome
are
on board the
prohibited
Stepford Connect
on
service
on
to
on Stepford
Stepford
County
Central.
Railway vehicles.
The next station is St Helens Bridge.
Right. Yeah. There is the green. There is the green. Yeah. The green slate branch of the water line system has mul has 2 stations that can't fit four that can't fit the fourth car of a few waterline trains at all. They can these 2 stations on Morganstown Docks and Whitney Green can only fit up to 3 cars. So bad news for anyone that likes to drive a 4-car trains on the waterline system. Somebody's ahead of me, so I gotta slow down. I want to go fast, but oh, fuck, it's busy around here.
Will shortly be arriving at St Helens Bridge. Change here for services to Stepford Victoria and Willowfield. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Don't worry, it's not this train, but a train going in the same direction as me. Yeah. I have a feeling I'm gonna get spatted by a train that doesn't does it to me just to either troll or doesn't know how to respect other trains in the same vicinity. Right, now we're gonna get going. It's still expecting signals to warn me of trains that are getting in my way. Alright. Alright, it's cleared up now.
Service to Stepford Victoria has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable. Platform 5 for the 16.
And
52.
the express
Stepford
train just
Connect.
overshot
Service to
this
Stepford
station
Central.
so badly.
Calling at Stepford East
This train
and
is for
Stepford
Oh
Central.
man, that's
This
crazy.
train is formed of 4
Station
coaches.
This is St. Helens Bridge. Transfer to Express and
Your
Airlink
attention,
trains
please.
at St. Helens Bridge.
B1703
This is a
Airlink service to Stepford Central has been
this is a Stepford
cancelled.
Connect train to Stepford
This is due
Central.
to a member of the train crew being unavailable. The train now approaching platform 4 terminates here. This train is the service
Yeah, we got a
from
dispatcher here.
Benton.
He had to dispatch the express train first, since it's the rule. Alright, now we're gonna go in. Stepford East is next. Doors open on the left at Stepford East.
Welcome on board this Stepford Connect
Please
service
keep your
to
belongings off the seat
Stepford
next to you,
Central.
so others may
The
sit down.
next station is Stepford East.
Right. Just had to talk with the dispatcher, just to wish him a safe shift at his job. Alright, I can finally go fast again. As fast as the speed limit. Though I gotta slow down now, because the station might not stop us
We will
ahead.
shortly be arriving at
Alright.
Stepford East.
Yeah, I'm going a little
Change here
fast,
for
I'm sorry,
services
but
to
yeah.
Stepford UFC and Whitefield.
Yeah, that's the 720.
Find the gap
Another
between the
another
tracks and the
favorite
platform.
train of mine in this
Calling
game.
at Stepford
In this
Central
game.
only. This
Yeah,
train is
sorry, I'm
formed
stumbling
of
over
4
my words. I
coaches.
just can't help myself.
Welcome on board
This is Stepford East. This is a Stepford Connect
This
train
is
to Stepford Central.
Stepford East. This train is for Stepford Central.
Platform
The
2
next
for
station
the
is
16.
Stepford Central.
59 Stepford Connect service to Berrily. Calling at St Helens Bridge,
Right.
New Harrow, Ellesmere Pond, Ellesmere Junction and Berrily. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
Oh, motherfucker. The train is spatting me. So I'm gonna have to wait a little. Unless another train spawns and decides to spat me again.
Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Stepford Central. The next station is Stepford Central.
Alright.
This is Stepford.
Alright, here we go. Let's keep going.
This train is for
Alright, I'm just praying that things go well and smoothly. Oh, fucking bitch. Why the fuck did you do that? Alright, I'm sorry. Yeah, that dude. Yeah, that dude. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Platform 1 for the 17.
Alright, but now let's go.
Stepford Connect
Sorry about that,
service
guys,
to
but
Port Benton. Calling at
the other train didn't slow down for me. So I got spatted. Oh man, this is such a painful journey. Back, back, back to where we started. Stepford Central is next. Transfer to Express and Airlink trains at Stepford Central. Yeah, I got the red light twice because of those 357s. A lot of players hate when that happens. And so do I. First world problems, I guess. Alright. Yeah, I'm really coming back late, but that's all thanks to the red lights I got
Shortly be
along
arriving
the
at
way.
Stepford Central. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. This train terminates here. All change, please.
Alright. We're almost here.
Platform 4 is
Back
the
to where we started.
1705 Stepford Connect service to Morganstown.
Yeah, another Morganstown
Calling at
town train.
Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, Ellesmere Junction, Berrily, East Berrily, Bewley Park, and Morganstown. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
Alright. Yeah, those two 357s. Oh, wait a
Your
minute.
attention,
That's not a
please.
one of those is not a 357, but it's a 170.
Service
Another
to
train that got
Benton
remeshed.
has been cancelled. This is
I
due
forgot to
to a
mention
member
that.
of the train crew being unavailable.
Right. This is Stepford Central. As far as this train goes,
Stepford
transfer
Central.
to Express and Airline
This
trains at
train
Stepford
terminates here.
Central.
All
All
change, please.
passengers must leave the
Thank you
train.
for travelling with us today.
Thank you for riding the Stepford Connect train. Right. We're finally back. At the expense of running into 2 red lights. Alright. Now that I got time, we'll tour the newly renovated Stepford Central Station. Alright. I'm not gonna show you everything that's at this station, but I'll just show you some. I just want to show you what's here. Not gonna get to everything, obviously, but just the main parts. Alright. Alright, this is the upper level with the waiting area and
The train now
and
approaching platform
and this
3
leads up to the
terminates here. This train
and this is
the
the
service
transfer
from
bridge.
Lynn by the Sea.
So if you want to jump
Your
from
attention, please.
to or from Airlink trains
B17, 16 Stepford
and
Connect service to Stepford
connect in express
Victoria
trains,
has been
that
cancelled.
there's the
This
transfer
is due
bridge for
to
you.
a member of the train crew being unavailable.
That this we just took a look at the Airlink platforms. Yeah. And you also just noticed that there's
Stepford Express
the
service
the
to
signaling
Lynn by
center
the Sea via
above
Benton.
above those
Calling
platforms
at
we're taking a look at
St
now.
Helens Bridge,
Yeah,
Benton,
they just added
Leighton,
platform 0 to
Stepford
the
Road,
station, and it
Leighton City,
exclusively serves
Hickney,
express trains.
West Wyvern,
Platform 0 to
Shore, and
right.
Lynn by
This
the
is the
Sea.
lower level
This
where you
train
can enter and exit the station.
first
And
class
there are
is
elevators
at
here
the
too.
rear of the train.
I'm not I can't leave that out. Platform 0 to 4 to 3 are for express trains. Platforms 4 to 9 are for connect trains terminating. Alright, this is the now let's look at the offices. This is the office of the guy that runs this game. The the community director. There was also the one there was in the past there was a guy that ran everything in this game, but he left the game for reasons I don't want to explain because the details are iffy.
The train now approaching
So don't
platform
bother
2
asking me why.
terminates here.
Right. Yeah, I apologize, but yeah. Just a little side note. And we got some shops and we got some businesses here as well. At the Alright. Alright. Platforms 10 and 11 are for trains to and from Stepford, Victoria,
Platform
Beachley,
11
and
for the
Willowfield.
1705
Alright. And
Stepford
these are the
Connect
offices
service to
for
Stepford
the
Victoria. Calling at
for the
Stepford
other
Victoria
managers of this game.
only.
these are the Airlink platforms from 12 to 15. This is the station with the most platforms out of all stations in this game.
The train now approaching platform 9. Terminates
Right.
here.
It's busy right now. It's busy here right now. Yeah.
This
All right.
is Stepford Central. This
And we got the
is
ticket off, and we got
Stepford
the
Victoria. The next station
and that
is
and the ticket
Stepford
section
Victoria.
and the ticket section is where you could get the tickets to get on the trains. Right. And this is where the bus disembarks the passengers wishing to get on the train here. There's one more thing I'm going to show you, and it's very bittersweet. Right. Stacy Sama. He was the driver manager of this game, who unfortunately passed away earlier this year. No one know. I'm not gonna go into details because they're unknown and they're largely kept private, which I respect. But from what I heard, he was such a good guy. Yeah. Rest in peace, Stacy Sama. You are sorely missed. Rest in peace, dude. Alright, that's a good stopping point for this video. So as always, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.